So 2 years ago, I went to Devghar. It's a place near my hometown. If you're aware of the famous Jyotirling Baba Baidyanath, so I went there with my entire family. We finished off the puja, and I went ahead and touched Panditji's feet. He gives me blessings, saying Putravati Bhava, and this was stuck in my head for a really long time. That why is it always Putravati Bhava and not Putrivati Bhava? I mean, I also realized that it's not his fault. It's the deep rooted misogyny that has been going on for several years. It's a patriarchal mindset. It's not only him, but there was also a distant relative of mine who gave birth to a son child, and to one of her other relatives who happened to have three daughters. She says like, अब तो मुझसे डाउन हो गई ना, मुझे तो बेटा हुआ है, आपकी तो बेटियां ही हैं. And I was like, what? And there was also one neighborhood auntie who told my mother, oh sorry बहन जी, मुझे नहीं पता था कि आपकी सिर्फ दो बेटियां हैं. And my mom was like, इसमें sorry कहने की क्या बात है? I am very proud of my daughters. I think that should be the kind of befitting replies that all the Indian parents should give to the people who feel like it's shameful to have a female child or something, or it's a curse or something. I mean, I do not understand that you do realize that your very existence is due to a woman. And being a woman, how could you not feel that? Like you are born from a womb itself. Don't you understand and realize that we have reached so many places in science, geopolitics, sports, I don't know what not, and still people feel that it's shameful to have a female child. I mean, there are still a lot of women and men who think that their lineage would stop if they do not have a male child, as if unki family Prithvi Raj Chauhan ki family hai or something. I do not understand that. Why can't we consider the female side of the family as their own lineage too? Why is it not important? Why can't we take the maternal side of the family as equally as the paternal side of the family? I really hope that in future, if somebody takes blessings, they say, be it Putravati Bhava or Putravati Bhava, whatever the child may be, I hope you raise them with a lot of love and affection. And even if not that, I think somebody can give blessings like, I hope you're really happy with whatever you choose and whatever the life you want to lead like.